Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera Manu. If this is your first time stopping by, you are very welcome to the family. If you're clicking again to watch my videos, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for coming back. If this is your first time stopping by, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you join the family. Click the notification bell as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna get into the video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this beautiful Instagram story highlight cover on my Instagram page. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I got it done step by step and for free too, using the Canva app. So the screen record is going to be on this side of the screen, and then I'm going to be here just explaining what I'm doing, and so you guys can follow me step by step. Now I have my phone. Just because it's easier to explain, I'm going to be doing everything and talking to you guys at the same time, if that makes any sense. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and put my phone on low power mode. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing is you have to download the Canva app, Canva. That's the app you have to download. And what it is, it's pretty much like a free app that you can use to make designs and pictures or anything like that. That's pretty much what the app is. So you download the Canva app. So once you've downloaded the app, I'm just going to go into the app and I'm going to click on the app. So when you click on the app, it opens up a home page. So then you have to click on the plus. What is this? So first of all, you can pay to have some more features in this app, but you don't have to do that. We're not going to be doing that today. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to get all of these features for free. So we're going to click on that plus sign and we're going to go into custom dimensions, because Instagram story highlight is about 2000 by 2000 pixels. I think that's what's called. So we're going to click on custom dimensions, and under width we're going to put 2000. Under height we'll put 2000 as well, and just click create design. So it takes a while, to load up and everything. So now the template comes up. For the template, you need to pick something that goes with what you're trying to achieve. For today, we're going to be trying to make what I have on my Instagram page. That's what we're going to be trying to make today. So we're going to go into template and then search. So for my Instagram story highlights, I use like a color gradient, and then I just changed the colors to fit what I wanted. Actually, I just changed the colors until it looked good to me, and then I use that. So we're gonna do that. So I'm going to go ahead and type color gradient. Alright, and then it's going to pop up all this, nice pictures with wordings in them and stuff like that. So I wouldn't worry about the wordings. I'm just going to go ahead and pick something that looks nice. You can always change the colors, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna go in and use this one that says Lumi Valentine's Special. So I'm gonna pick this one. Now you can tap on the picture and take out the elements that are in the picture. So when you tap on one, you can see a delete button at the bottom, a delete icon. So you can tap on the delete icon and it will ask you if you want to delete the image or the grid. Delete image will delete one thing at a time, but deleting grid deletes deleting grid deletes everything at once. Does that make sense? So we're just gonna go ahead and delete everything. Just delete every single thing. So yeah, and also sometimes it says delete element or delete group. If you say delete element, it deletes one thing at a time, but if you say delete group, it deletes everything. Okay, so now that we have this beautiful color gradient here, you can see all the colors at the bottom. Like you can see the orange, I don't know what this is, looks like a reddish brown, and then there's like an ashy brown gray color. Guys, don't judge me, okay? I don't know what it's called. Anyways, so to change the color now, you're going to click on the button and you can either go from here, right? Okay, I feel like I need to see what I did one more time. So I'm just gonna go into my Instagram page. Okay, I see what I did there. So we're gonna go pick a color. So starting with the pink is the one at the bottom. I'm just going to go, because I can't find the same colors. Actually, okay, I'm gonna use this, and then here I'll just select black for this one, and then for the ashy gray brownish color we're going to select like a purple. So you see how it looks exactly like what I have on my Instagram. I'll close. Let's see. Let's go look at it again one more time. Okay, looks close. It's not exactly the same, because what I have on my Instagram is more like a pinkish purple color, and this is just purple. So to get that color, you go into like this button here that has like a whole bunch of colors showing at the same time, and then you just adjust it to pink. So I have a pink already, and then I want it to look like a purple, so I just keep moving around. I just move around until I get whatever looks good. Now I think I like how this one looks, so I'm going to stick with this. I like how this one looks. I'm going to stick with this. So now that we've gotten the color that we want, you can decide to flip it. Oh, okay, that doesn't work here. Yeah, you can decide to flip it in the horizontal, so then the brown goes to the top and then the purple comes to the bottom. I don't want to do that today, so I'm just going to flip it back to how it was. And then you can also adjust the transparency, so to make it like really, really transparent, you know, just to add a little bit of color depth or reduce the depth of the color. But we're going to leave the transparency at 100 today. Now if you don't want to mistakenly change the color or something, you can just swipe all the way to the end and click the padlock button. So that pretty much padlocks what you've done, so you can't change the colors anymore, and you know you don't have there isn't any risk of making mistakes while you're doing this. Okay, and I can click on the padlock again if you want to make changes, but we're just going to click on the padlock so to lock that in. So now the first thing we're going to be making is let's do promo and adverts. Let's do a promo and adverts highlight. Okay, so you go into the plus, you click the plus sign, and then you see templates, photos, elements, and all of that. So you click on elements, and now elements is pretty much what you can use to search for shapes, icons, and you know whatever you want to be on the poster or the story highlight cover, whatever it is that you're making. You use elements to search for those small icons and pictures and whatnot. So we're going to search for promo. Actually, I'm going to type advertisement here. Advertisement. So you click on the return button for the search to come up. So when you search, you see that lots of the results have the pro written on them. That simply means that you have to pay to be able to use that. Okay, I know that sounds like I said this was supposed to be free, right? You don't have to pay for those. I'm going to explain why. If you scroll, you also see some free images and some free icons which you can use, right? So for me, I like what I saw on the pro. I don't like the free ones that I saw. I like the pro ones. So what I'm going to do is I'll just click on the pro one. Now you have to keep in mind, Instagram story highlights are really, really small. So the only thing that's going to happen when you use a pro icon without paying for it is that it's going to have the watermark of Canva on it. Now when you think about Instagram story, you don't really see the watermark because it's just a tiny picture. Like there's nobody zooming in to see the watermark. Like I don't even think you can zoom. You can't zoom into to see the watermark of your story highlight covers. I don't think that's possible. So we're gonna use the pro like that. So now, as you can see, the promo advert bell, whatever it is, oh my gosh, I don't know what this is called, guys. I'm actually suffering. I can't even speak. The loudspeaker, is that what it's called? I don't know. But the icon that we got is in black, and it has a Canva. As you can see, it has a Canva icon on it. So the Canva watermark on it. So we have to make this less visible. So I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to change the color. So I'm placing the icon where I want it to be. So when you click on it, you can see the black color square at the bottom. So just click on that color, and then you can change the color of the icon. So I want it to be white, just like I had in my Instagram story. So I'll just click on the white, and that's it. It changes automatically to white. I can still see the Canva watermark on it. But then again, like I said, think about it. Who really zooms to see? Like, look at my Instagram page, yo. You can't see any of the watermarks. Like, you can't see that this has watermark on it. And I don't really see a way that anybody can zoom in to see if you have a watermark on it. Okay, so now that that's done, we have that. I'm going to lock that in. Also, don't forget, okay, I'm going to unlock it. You can also tilt it using that tilting, the circle things that you see at the bottom. You can use that to tilt. You can also increase or decrease the size by just dragging one of the corners. I'm going to tilt this to be straight. Okay, I'm going to place it where I want it to be. Now we want a design. People usually use just plain images, but I want something, you know, something girly to add to the design. You can put whatever you want, but I'm just showing you guys how I made what I have on my Instagram. So I'm going to click on the plus sign again, go to element, and I want hearts. So I'm going to cancel the advertisement, and I'm going to type in hearts, right? And click the return button. Now there's a whole bunch of hearts coming out. There's actually cute ones, and most of them are free. So you don't even have to go through putting the pro icons on your picture, cover, story, cover, highlights, whatever it is called. Okay guys, I'm suffering here. Anyways, so I'm going to click on this this one with the hearts and the X sign. Now as you can see, it's black, so we're going to go through the same process. Click on this black square, click on the white square, and now it's turned into white. Click on the heart icon again, and then you see the rotate button at the end. We're going to rotate it to how we want it to look, and then I'm going to drag it and position it where I want it to be. Now the reason why I added the icons after adding the heart design, after adding the promo icon, is because I want the heart design to be underneath the promo. Does that make sense? If you add the heart design before the promo, sorry, because I want the heart design to be on top of the, okay, the reason why I added the heart icon before the advertisement icon, the reason why I added the advertisement icon before the heart icon is because I want the heart icon to be on top of the advertisement icon. Does that make sense? Okay, I feel like I'm making sense now. So that's why I did that. So let's say I change this the speaker icon to black. You can see that the heart icon is on top of it. I'm going to change it back to white because that's what I want. I want the white. So I'm going to go here, you know, tilt this to how I want it to look. And when I feel like it's okay, we're just going to go ahead and click. You can either click the download button up or the upload button, whichever you want to click, that's fine. So I'm going to click the upload button, and it's going to say save image as and all that. Actually no, I'm going to click the download button, and it just says preparing your design. So when you see, it says that there's an announcement, you know, you have to give one credit to marketplace image. For you to give credit, you have to buy for $2.79. You don't have to do none of that. You don't need to do any of that. What we're going to do is at the very top, it says download watermarked draft. Just click on that, and in like 5 seconds, actually 1 second, you've saved your design. So what you can do now is I'm just going to go to my pictures and show you guys what this looks like. So go to my photos, and that's the design right there. I think that's it. If I go ahead and put this on Instagram, you're not going to see the Canva watermark on my highlight story cover. And I'm going to show you guys this by going into my Instagram now. So I'm going to go into my Instagram, and I'm just going to pretend, well, I'm going to create a new highlight on my Instagram account. So I'm going to select like a random picture, go next, and then I'm going to edit the cover. So when you go to edit cover, you click on the photo icon, and then it takes you to your photo gallery. So I'm going to click on the image that I just made, right? The highlight cover that I just made with Canva, and then select done, and that's it. Now select done again, and then I'm going to name this promo. Let's just say promo, and then add it. So when you click add. Gosh, what's happening? Okay, now I click add. When you look, oh god, I just saw the color isn't the same, guys. Anyways, you get what I'm trying to say. You can do it. You can pick what color you want, but you can see that you can't see the Canva watermark anymore, and there's absolutely no way to zoom. Like, I'm really trying to zoom, it's not working. There's no way to zoom to see if it actually has a watermark or not. And technically you're giving the person credit because it has the watermark on it, if that makes sense. So guys, that's pretty much how I made this icon. I'm just gonna go delete this highlight from my page. Okay, that's deleted. That's pretty much how I made my Instagram story highlight covers. You can make any kind of design you want, literally any kind. I have a few that I made. I'm just going to show you guys some of the ones that I made. I think they're still here. So okay, I have them on my photo. Let me show you guys some of the things that I made with this. So I started with this, like I made this one, I made this, like I made a whole bunch of Instagram story highlights. And like I said, you can change it to what you want. You can pretty much make whatever you want, whatever designs you want, whatever colors you want. And the fact that you can just go in and type color gradients and flip it, you know, to have the color on different sides makes it really easy, because then you don't have to go ahead and make a whole new color gradient by yourself. Just go in, type color gradient as a picture and use that. Like really simple. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. If you watched all the way to this point, thank you so much. I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful to you today. And if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure you click that subscribe button, join the family, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.